Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we're going to show you the best Midjourney prompts. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now for today's video, we will be talking about Midjourney just like I said, and I assume most of you watching this video already know what Midjourney is. But if you don't, Midjourney is an AI-powered image generator tool. It utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to create captivating visuals that can be used in various creative projects. Whether you need illustrations, backgrounds, characters, or abstract designs, Midjourney will be able to provide you with those images depending on your prompt. So for today's video, I will be teaching you the different prompts that you could use to create various designs or various effects that you would use to make Midjourney produce those things. So before we get started, I'm going to teach you how you could get Midjourney on your Discord. Now, to be able to get your Midjourney to your Discord is very simple. All you need to do is go to midjourney.com, and this is what you're going to see. After that, you're simply going to click on join the beta, and then you will receive an invitation from the Midjourney server in Discord. And over here, as you can see, all you need to do is click on accept invite. Although make sure that you are logged into your Google or logged into your Discord to be able to be invited in. And after that, you will be invited to their Discord, as you can see here on our screen. Right now, I am invited, and in one of the rooms we're in, Midjourney will be producing their image generation. Now later on, I'm going to teach you a trick so that you wouldn't be able to, or so that you wouldn't be bothered or be stuck in this loop over here. As you can see, there are a lot of people using Midjourney, and sometimes your prompt or sometimes your images get overrun, and it might give you a hard time to navigate and scroll through the different photos being generated over here because this is a public room. Everyone is generating over here. So we're going to teach you later a trick on what you could do. But before that, we're first going to check out the different prompts or the different amazing community showcase that Midjourney has already produced. Of course, with the help of the prompts used by the community. As you can see here, we have a lot of amazing visuals generated by Midjourney, as you can see here. And as you hover over the different designs or different outputs, you will be able to see the prompt that the people has specifically used to produce this specific image. As you can see here, we have epic photography by Ana Diaz of a lit attractive female Mandalorian female fashion model over here. You will be able to see the different prompts that they have used to produce this. And if you would like to use, or if you do find a design that you like here, you could copy the prompts that they have used in the specific designs that they have, and you could duplicate or try to duplicate the results that they have over here. But if you don't want to do that, if you would like to produce your own, I'm going to teach you a way, or that I'm going to teach you the different prompts that you could use in Midjourney. Now, the first thing we're going to do is, of course, I'm going to teach you the trick that I was talking about earlier. Now, what you're going to do first is go to Discord, and over here on the left side, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to create a new server. Over here on the new server, you're going to click on create my own, and we're going to name it later on as Midjourney for me and my friends. And over here, server name will be Midjourney 1, and click on create. And now we have our server for Midjourney over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Midjourney server here. We're going to open it. And then we're going to click on the members over here. This is the member list over here on the top. And you could view this by clicking this. And then you're going to click on the Midjourney bot. And you're going to wait for this, and you're going to click on add to server. And then you're going to select the server that you have. We have here Midjourney 1. And click on continue and authorize. And now we're going to authorize it once again, and as you can see, we have authorized it, and we're going to check out if our Midjourney bot is now in Midjourney. As you can see here, it has been added to our server. We're going to check it out. We're going to type in imagine, and we're going to say cat. It's a random prompt for now, and as you can see, it is already working, and it's already here, as you can see, waiting to start. So we're going to teach you first different things. As you can see here, we have this automatically added. Now, how do we have this? All you need to do to have those automatically added, and I'm going to teach you what each of those mean, is first you're going to type in settings. Of course, don't forget the slash and settings, and you will be able to view your personal settings for your prompts. This is personally for you, not your entire server. This is personally for you as a member. As you can see here in the settings, you could choose from Midjourney version 1 and Midjourney version 2, and it's going to change here. As you can see, this is an automatically added prompt to your whatever you type. We have Midjourney version 3 and 4 and 5.1 over here. Of course, the version 5 is the best one because that's the latest version, and you will be able to get amazing results with the version 5. That is the latest version. You also have the Niji version 4 and Niji version 5 over here. And you have the options to have style low, style medium, and style high, and style very high, which is the V5 over here. And the higher the style, of course, the more details the image being produced will be given to you. You could also enable public mode and fast mode over here and remix mode over here. Later on, I'm going to show you what the remix mode produce. So for now, we're going to check it out, how you will be able to ask Midjourney to produce you an image. So the first thing we're going to do, this is just a testing by the way. The first thing you're going to do is going to type / imagine, and then your prompt that you would like Midjourney to be produced. For example, for us, we would like to have a whale flying through the sky with birds, and click on enter. That's our sample prompt for now, and as you can see here, it will automatically add these versions over here. The S750 is the details, the style. I made a mistake earlier. The V5 is the version. I accidentally said the wrong thing. So to verify, this is what you need to have. You could also type them manually if you would like. You could type them just like that. But this is just like to help you so that you wouldn't need to type this again. But just like that, you have this suffixes over here. And we're going to wait for it to produce our image. As you can see here, it's 62 and it's going to be produced very fast. And just like that, we have our image generated over here. We have 4 separate images that we have, and you can simply choose whatever you would like. You have here U1, U2, U3, and U4. The U1 is this first image over here, U2 is this, U3 is this, and U4 over here. If you type in or click these buttons over here, you will be able to upscale them. Or you could also click on V4, which would allow you to add more prompts. It's a remix prompt. This is for adding more details to your prompt over here, which will be an additional design for the new image that you are going to produce. For example, a whale flying through the sky with birds, and we could add an additional information. For example, we would like to have, we're going to change it to, instead of a whale, we're going to change it to a flock of whale flying through the sky, and we're going to click on submit, and now it's going to reproduce the 4th image as a basis with this additional prompt over here, basically a remix between 2 different prompts, just like I said. But if you want to simply upscale a single image, you can click on U4 or U3 depending on which image you would like, and it will make the image bigger. So we're going to wait for this to load up, and after this shows us the results, we're going to teach you the best prompts that you could use, and I'm going to tell you different styles that you could use for your images. And as you can see here, it produced us another image over here. Unfortunately, it did not exactly show us what we are trying to ask it to produce, and don't worry, it's Midjourney. It doesn't always produce you the exact output that you would like to have. So we're going to proceed. For now, we're going to teach you more prompts that you could use for your designs. Now I have a list here. This is my list. The first thing we did was the settings, and that allowed us to have this extra prompt being added to our prompt all the time. This is to ensure that our quality is very high. So the other prompts that I'm going to teach you is the AR. For the AR, you will be able to edit the size of your image. You could have different ARs. For example, we're going to enter another prompt, imagine, and we could have a cat running through the clouds, and then you could type in --AR and then 3, and just like this, and this will change depending on your prompt. This will appear and it will adjust the portrait or landscape appearance of your image. It's basically the aspect ratio, and we're going to wait for it to be produced, and you can change it to 3:2 to 2:3 depending on what size you would like to have. You could have 2:2 to have a square, basically just like that. And we're going to wait for it to produce. There's also other prompts that we have here, the quality and the negative prompt over here. For the negative prompt, basically when you type this in, it Midjourney will not put in any elements that is related to the negative prompt. The dash dash no is the negative prompt. So for example, you typed in dash dash no and then you said water. It will try its best to not add a water to your design or to your image. But sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes Midjourney mistakes it and added water anyway. And yeah, those are a problem. You also have Q over here, dash dash Q, which means for the quality, it adds more quality to your prompt. So we're going to see here. And we have our images over here. And I like the second photo over here. We're going to click on YouTube to upscale this. And as you can see here, we have our upscaled photo over here. And you can also make some variation. You could make this remaster or favorite over here. For remaster, it will try to improve the video or the photo. And now we have our design here. Now I'm going to show you the quality, and now you can simply download this and use this whatever you want. Now we're going to show you another one, the quality. So we're going to add another prompt, click on imagine and do that. And then for this time, we're going to add a cat in a samurai armor. And then we're going to add a dash dash Q, and we're going to say 5. The higher the number, the higher the quality. Now it is only from 1 to 5, so you can put in Q99, you could do that. So we're going to go with this. And as you can see also, because we changed the size over here, it's going to produce a different sizing for our image. It's going to be different from this one, which is like a square, and this one is like a landscape version. So we're going to go with this one before we proceed with the different prompts that we could use to our images to improve our images and design. Now, just like I said earlier, if you would like to explore the community showcase, you could see the different prompts they use if you would like to copy their prompts. But there are also ways or different extra prompts that you could use to make your prompts amazing. For example, here we have a list here, like we have Synthwave, Duotone, 90s adventure game design, 32-bit isometric, phantasm iridescence, and diagrammic drawing over here. So we're going to check this out. These are one of the best or some of the best prompts that you could use in Midjourney. Now you could also visit this website over here, Blue Shadow, and you will be able to see different prompts for different art style over here. They have their examples over here, and then the prompts that you could use for the specific designs. Very similar to Midjourney Showcase over here, but you could use this also to look for different prompts that you could use. So we're going to check this out later. We're first going to go with this, and as you can see, we have our amazing design here. It is with the highest quality, super detailed, and the version 5, which makes it amazing. So we could zoom in on the 4 version and we could check it out. Now after this, we're going to check out the different prompts that I have talked about. So we're going to use Synthwave first, and just like this. And now we have our image over here. Now what we can do is we're going to use the new prompts that I have talked about. So we have our imagine over here. Now this time we're going to ask it to generate us a samurai girl. Then you're going to type in comma and then paste in the Synthwave over here. You could also add the prompt that you could also add the quality prompt, do that, and Q5, just like that. And we're going to wait for it to produce our design, and we have our Synthwave as our extra prompt over here, so we could see what it would look like. Now as you can see here, it's slowly being generated with the Synthwave as its design or theme. And as you can see here, we have a very amazing design produced to us by Midjourney with the Synthwave as its one of its prompt. And we could do the same thing. We are going to do the /imagine, and we're going to type in the same similar one, but this time I'm going to change it a bit. Girl wearing samurai armor, and we're going to copy the other prompt this time. For this time, I would like to see duotone, so we're going to copy this and paste it over here, and we're going to click on enter. Actually, I forgot to add extra details over here. When you're using the duotone, you should say the colors that you would like to see, but it will only use 2 different colors. So as you can see here, it has produced like a gray or like a black and white color over here. But for you, if you would like to have a specific color, you could add like maybe green and red, stuff like that. You could add it to your prompt. So this one, we have our very amazing design over here. We could do another one. We're going to check out the 1990s point-click 16-bit adventure game this time. So for this one, we're going to do Imagine. And then this time, we're going to type in dragon flying to the castle. And then we're going to type in the prompt just like that and click on enter. So we're going to wait for it to show us our 1990s design this time. These are different prompts that you could use for your design, like a hack. If you like those designs that we are using right now, you could use this as a basis also to add to your designs. And as you can see here, it has produced us a 1990s adventure game design for our dragon. As you can see, it is a very amazing design and you could use this for anything you would like. Now moving on for our next prompt, we have 32-bit isometric. So we're going to type that, Imagine, and we're going to go with dragon once again. You could add more details if you would like more information, like a specific thing a dragon would do, but depending on you. For me, I just want to see how it would like to produce our prompt right now. Also, as you can see, when people are producing amazing designs, their prompts are usually super long, but some are also super short. So longer prompts doesn't really guarantee an amazing or super detailed artwork. Some can also produce like super short over here, as you can see. So we're going to see what it produced over here. And as you can see here, now we have another amazing design that is produced to us by Midjourney. Now you're free to use this other two design, the different prompt that we have not yet used here, but this is all for now. Thanks for watching, guys. As you can see, these are different amazing prompts that we were able to produce using the prompts that I have over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.